Let's try this one again. The last one was a really big fail, and you can see why. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's give it a shot. All right. No idea. Here. Set. Okay. Here we go. That. Goes in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Let's go. What? There. In here. Okay. Listen. In here. Take all of this. Let's just drag it in through here. There we go. And that. And do, oops, come on, do the same here. There we go. One, two. Okay, and that goes down. Bit of this here. Come on. There's that. Okay, this stuff needs to be there. Come on. All right, there's that. And you get a little bit later over here so we can get these. Come on. There's that. That. And then this we want to have here. That. Oops. Need that a little bit there. Come on, hurry up. Okay. Oop. Nope. Drop that in. This needs to be kind of more open. Here. Do that. Ah! Go. Do that. All right. And this. Okay. And over here. Do that. Oop, what? Okay. And then what? What? Okay. This. That. Then the other thing. And this. Okay. And then what? This comes down. This over here. Do this there. I think that about covers that, doesn't it? This needs to be over more. Oh, wait, we have two of these. Okay. All right, now we need to get this stuff. And we'll just do that there. And this one over here also. Come on. Do that. Okay. And do this one up here. And do that through there. And we want this here. And up here. Put that down there. And we, of course, want this thing. The dark spot. Whoops. All right. Whoop. That ain't gonna do it. Okay. Now, come on. Bring it down. One, two. Okay. That's fine. That's better. Okay. That isn't still not working. All right. We'll do this. Come on. Come on. Come on. These two. Come on. Oh, it doesn't want to do it. What? Wow. What happened? There. Let's see if we can get these to happen. Through here. This over here. This over here. This over here. This over here. All right. With that. Through here. So. What else do we need? We need a lot. Many things. Do that. What else? This actually needs to be dark right here. What happened there? Okay, is that timer actually on? Did I actually run it? Yeah, it is. Okay, we'll do this. These down. And then what? Let's right there. Oh, timer, are you running? Come on up, man. There. Is it running? Getting the feeling it's not. We'll take that down. I don't think it is. Oh, 18 seconds. Well, this needs a little bit of shoring up. Whoops. Come on down so we can get. Come on, man. Pick it up. There you go. Come it out. Oh, how can I do it? Okay. Well, time's up on that. Dismiss. I think it's better than the other one. I think it's better than the other one. Yeah, we'll go with it. I think it's better than the other one. Um, you know, got the background for wait. Take this one. Stick it up here. That's the other one. That's the one I did before. I think this one's better. Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's it for me today. Oh, I know what I missed. I missed a white line through here. I needed that. Yeah, on the top of this building. Not great, but there you go. There's our pick. All right. Yeah, not incredible. On we go. See you on the next one.